Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the PDF and positioning the page section you need. Make sure the image fills the screen without scaling artifacts. Once done, pick your capture method: a system screenshot for quick grabs, a snip tool for precise crops, or an export option for higher fidelity. You want to balance speed with quality, so set zoom to match the captured area and disable any reader smoothing that might blur edges. Now capture the image using the method you selected. If the PDF reader supports export, choose PNG or JPEG and pick a resolution. This preserves original pixels. If you use a snip, draw precisely and avoid window chrome. Press the system hotkey to reduce motion blur. For complex PDFs, extract embedded images in an editor to avoid re-rendering. Make sure to name files clearly. Finish by refining the image. Crop out margins, straighten and adjust exposure or sharpness so the content is legible. Save a lossless master, PNG, and create a smaller JPEG if you need to share via email. Make sure to embed color profiles only when required. If the image looks fuzzy, check the original PDF DPI. If it is low or the reader applied smoothing, re-export directly from the PDF source or use an extraction tool. This fixes most quality problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.